$100,000 in liquid power. The 700 score strategy. We were somewhere on the edge of a total financial breakdown when the realization hit like a high-velocity freight train. A 700 credit score isn't just a number to show your mother, it is worth over $100,000 in cold, hard access. Do you understand the gravity of the situation? Most people are wandering through the neon fog of consumerism, thinking a credit card is just a tool for buying plastic junk they don't need. But the high rollers, the real operators, see credit lines as capital infrastructure. It is the difference between a $2,000 limit and a $25,000 approval. Why do the bastards at the bank reward some while kicking others into the gutter? It's about risk. It's about how you structure your profile before you even walk through the door. Can you feel the frantic pulse of the machine? You have to shift your thinking or you'll be swallowed whole by the unfeeling machinery of the state. Credit is about access, not spending. The wealthy don't wait until they're starving to ask for a meal. They build their credit access before the opportunity even shows its face. If a deal appears tomorrow, do you have the $100,000 ready to strike, or do you have to crawl on your knees and ask for permission? That isn't sovereignty. True sovereignty is positioning yourself so that you aren't asking, you are demanding. Those who spend their time shouting about straw men and correcting status are missing the entire point. The point is the 700 score and the $100,000 in liquidity it unlocks. Why settle for mystical theories when you can have tangible power? Funding doesn't happen in a vacuum, it happens in layers. It's a compounding madness. One approval increases your credibility for the next, and the next, until the limits start screaming into the stratosphere. The bank sees that someone else already trusted you with $20,000, so their risk percentage drops like a stone. This is the underwriting policy in action. You get a $10,000 approval, then a $20,000 approval, and suddenly you're looking at $30,000. Each one strengthens the profile. It's a beautiful, terrifying stack of capital. Have you ever noticed how the people who already have the money always seem to get more? It's not luck, it's the algorithm rewarding behavior. Are you ready to play the game at this level? But beware. A 700 score can be a hollow shell, a trap for the unwary. It can hide high utilization, a thin profile, or a high debt-to-income ratio. To the unfeeling eyes of the bank's computers, a short history or a recent flurry of inquiries looks like a death warrant. You need structure. You need 100% payment history. No collections. No charge-offs. No high credit card debt. This is why we talk about challenging debt collectors and cleaning the report. It's all a means to an end. You clean the slate so you can build the $100,000 infrastructure. Are you listening? Is your credit score just a number, or is it a fortress? Why would you leave a single negative item to rot your future? Relationship banking is the secret weapon, the hidden key to the vault. Banks reward those they know. If you have income flowing through an account, the data reduces the uncertainty. It reduces the fear. I've seen $10,000 approvals pop up just because there was $10,000 in the account. The more data they have, the higher the limits go. Apply to your own bank first. Use the relationship to unlock the gate. Then you start stacking. $15,000 from a credit union. $20,000 from a major bank. $25,000 on a business card. $30,000 from another. Suddenly, you are sitting on over $100,000 in available capital and you didn't even need a business plan or an angel investor. Does that sound like a conspiracy or a strategy? This is the operator mindset. You stop thinking like a borrower and start thinking like a machine. You stop chasing cash and start maintaining credit. Recognition creates access. Access creates leverage. Leverage gives you options. And options are the only thing that matters in this frantic, high-stakes economy. You were trained to be a borrower, but you must learn the art of issuance. Position yourself to look good in their eyes so you can take advantage of the system before it takes advantage of you. Do you see the entire financial system differently now? It's not about the debt, it's about the control. What are you waiting for? The opportunity is screaming at you. Please subscribe so you will be notified of new uploads. Press the like button, it helps our algorithm. Thanks for watching.